How to add Amazon affiliate link to your Wix website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to add elements, then simply select image, and then here simply upload the image of your product. So simply click on upload images. Now here you're gonna have the option to upload your own images, so simply do that. So I'm gonna choose this one here as an example, and then it's gonna look something similar to this. Now the next step is to simply click on link, and then here you're gonna have to simply select the web address and then simply paste your Amazon affiliate link and then click on done, and then whenever someone clicks on the product image, they're gonna get redirected to Amazon, and basically that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.